Hosting a summer party or backyard barbecue? Here are 5 clever hacks you'll want to know. Hack number 1, grab a serving platter, a large mixing bowl, and a pack of wooden beads from Dollar Tree. Flip the bowl upside down and hot glue a bead right on the center of the bottom of your bowl. Now fill up your platter with burger and hot dog buns, cookies, fruit, whatever food you're serving, and then place the bowl over top of your food to use it as a lid. Now you've got a really simple and affordable DIY dome to keep the bugs out of your food at summer parties. Next up, grab a 2-pack of foil pans from the dollar store. Fill one about a third of the way with water and freeze it overnight. Once it's frozen solid, place the second foil pan on the top. Now you've got an instant DIY cold tray. Fill this up with burger toppings, pasta salad, fruit or veggie trays, anything you need to keep chilled. Now let's talk drinks. Grab some paper cupcake liners and straws that coordinate with your party theme and poke the straws through the center of the liners to use them as a drink cover. Super easy, super cute, and a must for keeping bugs out of your lemonade. For our next hack, all you need is a bag of balloons and your freezer. Fill each balloon with water, tie it off, and freeze them overnight. These colorful frozen balloons become giant, festive ice cubes that keep your drinks cool in a large bowl. And bonus, you can pick balloon colors that match any party theme. And here's one of my favorite outdoor hosting hacks. Pick up one of these garden flag holders from Dollar Tree, stake it into the grass, and slide on a roll of paper towels. This instantly becomes a standing paper towel holder. How genius is that?
Pool season is here. I love spending time by the pool. What I don't love? Wasting time cleaning it when I could be enjoying it. That's why I got the Ybot S2 Solar, the world's first underwater solar-powered robotic pool cleaner. There are no cords, no electricity costs, and no battery stress. It powers itself through the sun and keeps running with dual charging options for over 2.5 hours of uninterrupted cleaning. It scanned the entire pool and followed a smart grid pattern with laser precision. And thanks to its 3D absorption system, the Ybot S2 Solar traps even ultra-fine debris with a filter box and a high-efficiency sponge for next-level filtration. Powerless, brushless motor keeps suction strong while staying energy efficient, so you're not dealing with replacements every season. Need to control it manually? The app gives you full remote control, plus a simple one-click start and return option that makes using it ridiculously easy. When it finished, I used the hook to pull it out, popped open the filter, and boom! Everything it collected right there. The Ybot S2 Solar made opening our pool not just easier, but smarter. Now I get crystal clear water and zero stress. Thanks to Ybot for sponsoring this video.
Here are a few summer entertaining hacks. Start with a tin. This one used to have cookies in it. We can discard the top. Now I'm going to grab some rope from Dollar Tree and hot glue it all the way around the tin. At the very top, I'm going to create 2 handles. Now I can use this outside at a barbecue to hold napkins. Just place a rock on top of it. It's going to be a great little container. Here's a simple way to hold silverware. Grab a wide mouth mason jar and a colorful towel or cloth napkin. Roll up the towel, place it inside the mason jar, and then put your silverware right inside. It adds a little bit of color and fun to your outdoor picnic. Let's make these small Dollar Tree bins look high-end. I'm going to use some metallic silver spray paint. I'm spraying each bin inside and out to give it that nice metallic look. These bins are the perfect size to hold plates, cups, and all kinds of things for your outdoor barbecue. Grab a garden flag holder, take that flag off, and slip on a roll of paper towel. This is a great way to have paper towel at everyone's fingertips, and it's really easy to use for your summer barbecue. Grab a sand bucket from Dollar Tree and hang this on a hanging basket rod. I like the ones that can clip right to the side of the table, and I'm going to use this to hold bug spray and sunscreen for any of my guests.
Buy a tension rod at a big box store, fit and adjust the tension rod at the top of an open doorway in your home, and then pick up some crepe paper. Cut multiple lengths of crepe paper in different colors. You can make these as long or as short as you like. Start to tie the crepe paper onto the tension rod by folding the paper in half, wrapping the middle loop around the rod, and then pulling the tails through the loop. Alternate the colors of the crepe paper as you tie them on. You can then add other party decorations depending on the theme of your party. Take some gift package bows and stick them randomly across the top of the decorated tension rod. What better way to welcome your friends and family and guests to your party when they walk in the door of your home? Head to the hair tie and barrette section at the dollar store and pick up an even number of acrylic multi-compartment organizers. Take 2 of the organizers and face them against each other with the shorter sides on the inside. Run a bead of hot glue along the inside, top, and bottom of one of the containers. Press the front of the other container to it so they are glued securely together. Then start to glue each of the sets to each other, creating one long multi-compartment organizer. Fill all the small compartments with some water. Then take a bunch of grocery store flowers and trim the blooms so they have a 3 to 4 inch stem. Start to arrange the blooms in the various compartments of the organizer, making sure to vary the shape, size, and color of the flowers you choose. This beautiful and easy floral centerpiece is sure to make any table surface truly beautiful for entertaining. Next time you're at the grocery store, pick up a 2-liter bottle of your favorite soda. Of course, enjoy drinking the soda, but save the plastic 2-liter bottle. After cleaning the empty bottle, remove the outer label and stand it beside a glass bottle. Determine how far up on the glass bottle you would like to decorate and mark that height on the plastic bottle. Cut off the top of the plastic bottle using the marking as your guide. Slip your glass bottle into the cut plastic bottle and pour water into the space between the 2 bottles. Take a fresh flower and cut off the stem so you're left with just the bloom. Slide this flower facing out into the water-filled crevice between the bottles. Use a chopstick to gently push the bloom down toward the bottom of the bottle. Continue to add blooms around the entire bottle. You can even use single petals and leaves to create the look you want. Place the bottle into the freezer and let it freeze. I left mine in the freezer for 4 hours. Take the bottle out of the freezer and run a bit of warm water over the outside of the bottle. Then you can easily peel away the plastic bottle and you're left with a stunning icy floral serving bottle. Your beverages will be served cold and your guests will be delighted with your unique serving piece. I hope this inspired you to use inexpensive and unexpected materials to greet, serve, and entertain your guests at your next party. Thanks for watching Home Talk. I'll see you next time.